Hey guys, so as expected, 10.13 of FSD Beta has been delayed again because Elon Musk has promised us a timeline that's just really unreasonable, and at this point I'm starting to lose hope a little bit, and I think it's going to be arriving probably sometime down the line, probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think the more realistic timeline for 10.13 really is. It is expected to be one of the bigger major updates, and this is why it's taking a little bit too long. If you guys want to check out my previous video where I highlighted the reasons why it's being delayed, go check that out. I'll drop the link right in the description below, or I'll have a banner just hovering right above here for you guys to click. But now let's get more into the details of why 10.13 is being delayed for so long, and I really think this has to do with Chuck's left turn. Now, a lot of you guys are probably saying that it's not Chuck's left turn. I have no proof of it. There's no confirmation that it's really his left turn that's causing the issue. Well, honestly guys, there is nothing else right now. FSD Beta is working pretty well, at least where I am, but I think the left turn is the real issue, especially when it's blocked behind another object, like a wall for example, and it really has to inch out and see the fast moving traffic. And if you guys really want confirmation, go ask Chuck himself on Twitter. He's seen a lot of Teslas with manufacturer plates just rolling around his area at the exact same left turn, Model Ys, Model S, Model X, and 3, and they're all doing the exact same thing. They are on FSD Beta. There's a driver on board just monitoring the whole thing, and the funny thing is they're even ignoring him because they know that this is the left turn that's causing them the biggest bulk of trouble, and they're trying to perfect it. Now the sad thing here, and probably the biggest concern that all of us have, is are they gonna fix just this left turn, or is it gonna be resolving every left turn that is outside of Chuck's left? Now you guys know 100% that Chuck is gonna drop a video as soon as 10.13 drops, and that is gonna create a lot of PR for Tesla saying that they resolved this issue. FSD Beta is now perfect in some way, especially for left turns. Complicated situations like this is no longer an issue, so FSD Beta is inching towards just purely FSD. Now if you were to ask me, I think that this is not gonna be the case. I thought originally they were training in the ghost mode of just user data, as long as people are driving around making these left turns, that the system would just eventually solve it, but they're using human. They're using human to go out into these scenarios and trying to resolve it one by one. So this really gives me a lot of doubt in the end whether the neural net, whether Dojo is gonna work, whether any of these background situations where it was collected by users driving just like you and I are gonna be resolving the issue, or are they gonna have to go through every complicated case like driving up the mountain and there's a cliff and the car is just not gonna jump down unless a user from Tesla goes there and make sure that there is some kind of barrier that does not make the car jump out, and it will just go to the other side and the car will still jump out. So enough ranting about all this. I honestly think 10.13 is going to be not that dramatic as you guys think. There are probably going to be a few cases that it does resolve, but I think it's still very overhyped, and what Elon is doing really is just unfair to all of us that don't get to try FSD Beta to begin with, but to make us so excited for it like they did in the previous builds, and then just make us all disappointed again when it doesn't do what it's expected to do. But regardless of all this, trust me guys when I say that I am very excited to see the progress of FSD Beta in general. I just love trying the system out whenever I can. I flick the thing on pretty much non-stop. I barely touch the car at this point, and I think it's gonna even get better than this. But as of right now, if you ask me to close my eyes or look away or go to sleep, there is no way in hell I'm gonna be doing any of that in its current stage, because it drives literally like a 13 to 14 year old. So yeah, that's my overall guess of why 10.13 is still being delayed, and all of us are going to be more excited when a V11 comes out, version 11. That's when going to be the full one stack system on the highway and in the city streets, and this is where Elon promises that your customers are going to get FSD Beta on their cars as well. Maybe the safety score system is going to end up in their cars very soon. Who knows? There's so many variations of their streets and signs and everything, so it's going to be a little bit difficult there. But hold out guys, I'm sure you will get it very soon. At the moment, you guys aren't really missing out much. If you guys are interested and want to watch that, I'll drop it in the description below as well. It's going to tell you guys exactly why I feel basic autopilot is the perfect system, and everything else, enhanced autopilot and FSD Beta, is just a lot of pain. If you guys are going on a road trip, if you guys want consistency and stability, stick to a basic autopilot. But anyways guys, this should wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and once again, peace out.